Armstrong, and Butler. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Butler County in west central Pennsylvania, northeastern Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, central Armstrong County in west central Pennsylvania, until 4 a.m. At 10:53 p.m., radar indicated heavy rain in the warned area. Flash flooding expected. Estimated rainfall up to 2 inches. Additional rainfall up to 1 inch. Some locations that may experience flooding include Ross Township, McCandless Township, Franklin Park, Katanning, Hampton Township, Harrison Township, Ford City, Gibsonia, Sarver, Freeport, West Katanning, Russellton. This includes Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 37 and 42. Turn around, don't drown. Most flood fatalities occur in vehicles. Runoff from heavy rainfall will flood small streams, poor drainage areas, and low-lying spots. Please report flooding by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.